How to grow taller. Follow this guide to learn how exercise, sleep, and eating a healthy diet will help you grow taller and healthier. You will need exercise, sleep, and a healthy diet. Step 1. Start an exercise program that improves posture and flexibility and strengthens muscles. Yoga, swimming, cycling, and running are great starter choices. Step 2. Get sleep, an important factor in the growing process because it repairs and replenishes your body. Kids and teenagers who are still growing need 8.5 to 11 hours of sleep a night. Step 3. Provide a healthy diet that includes fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Foods rich in vitamin D, such as dairy products, fish, and fortified cereals, will help build and maintain strong bones. Step 4. Add protein to your diet to help in the growth and repair of muscles and tissues. Chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, and legumes are healthy choices. Add protein to at least one meal a day. Step 5. Avoid food and drinks that are processed or high in fat, such as margarine, soft drinks, coffee, alcohol, and concentrated sugar. Did you know, according to the Guinness Book of World Records, Robert Wadlow is the tallest man in medical history at 8 feet 11 inches tall.